Hi. So I was thinking about starting a YouTube channel during this COVID-19 disease. So I was just getting bored, really bored. So I was thinking about starting a YouTube channel since I enjoy YouTube videos so much. But I didn't know how to start it. And obviously I have to ask someone who's professional and is really good and managing YouTube accounts. So we all know who is the best YouTuber in YouTube. So it's obviously PewDiePie. So he has a video called How to Get Started in YouTube. So I was thinking about watching how to start a YouTube channel while starting my YouTube channel and use that as a starting video. So yeah, so I started my YouTube channel by watching how to start a YouTube channel. Great, let's get into the video.
Hey, how's it going, my bros and sisters? My name is PewDiePie. Today I'm going to make...
Did he just do the PewDiePie? I don't think he still did that. I watched his recent video. It's all about Floor Gang or the Minecraft. How long ago is this video? Oh, it's 3 years ago. Okay.
Make a video on how to get started on YouTube. I've been asked to make this video. I don't know how many times. I get this question all the time. Can you give me some tips on how to get started? I think what I always just say is keep working hard and I'm sure you will succeed. But I thought, not today. I wanted to actually give something more constructive, some more help than just that. I've been doing a lot of streams lately and everyone is keep asking me, how do I get started? What kind of tips do you have? And I thought, okay, fine, I'll make it. Okay, I thought about making this video before many times, but I just feel like, who am I to tell you how to? It's not like I know all the answer.
Pretty sure you know all the answer. I mean, not all the answer, but most of them. I'm pretty sure you are the best guy to do that, to teach the beginner how to start a YouTube channel. You are like our role model, not just a beginner who started a YouTube channel, but the smaller channel too. I mean, this guy is being really humble. I follow Hughes for quite long, and I know he's a humble guy, but I'm amazed that he didn't change at all. He's still the same guy.
And I really think everyone has a different answer to the question on how to grow on YouTube. So just take this as from my own perspective. Also know that I don't know everything. And just because I say something doesn't mean it's the rule of thumb, you know, that's not the case, couldn't be further from it. And I started YouTube 7 years ago, so obviously things are different now. This video probably won't be relevant for most people watching.
What? So I'm watching a video that is not relevant anymore? What? Oh well, let's just keep watching, you know. We'll know if it's relevant by the time we watched it, okay?
But maybe it will be interesting. I don't know. Here we go. First of all, I want to start on the equipment because I think...
Stop. Equipment. I'm filming with a webcam. I don't even have a mic. All I have is a earphone. This is where I fail. Wait, the subtitle says this is where most people fail right away.
This is where most people fail right away. I see so many people get really angry about this one because they bought all this expensive equipment and they come to me like, where are the subscribers? Where are all the views? I spent all this money on all this equipment. I always say, don't spend money on equipment.
There we go. Why do you need to spend money on equipment? All you need is a webcam and a cheap earphone. That's all you need. I know the camera is not that clear and it's a little bit laggy, but don't judge on them, okay? I don't have money.
It doesn't have to be expensive at all. And I think a lot of people wait with starting videos because they don't have all the equipment. I think it takes practice to make videos. And I think it doesn't hurt to get started with what you have. I didn't have a webcam when I started. I legit used this microphone.
He started with a Razer headphone. Seriously? Maybe she did earn some money to buy a headphone. I did nothing.
It definitely doesn't hurt to have nice quality, don't get me wrong, but it's not automatically going to make you get subscribed. Stand out. Personally, I'm very much drawn to different things that people do. If I notice a channel doing something I haven't seen before, I'm automatically more drawn to that thing. I did Call of Duty videos because that's what was popular at the time, but that's what made me want to start making YouTube videos, because I loved watching it on YouTube, and it was really, for me, when I started making videos, I did what everyone else was doing. I did Call of Duty videos because that's what was popular at the time, but that's what made me want to start making YouTube videos, because I loved watching it on YouTube, and it was really popular back then, and I enjoyed making those type of videos, but my channel didn't grow from it at all. I had like, what, a couple hundred people watching me?
What? Couple hundred? Well, I get into streaming one time, and there's like 2 viewers, and you have couple hundred people watching you. Never mind.
And I remember when other YouTubers refer themselves to as, oh, I only had a couple hundred back then. I'm like, nibba, 100. I'm so fucking proud of these 100 people that I have. Shut the fuck up. And I also remember watching all these bigger YouTubers doing the same Call of Duty videos, and I'm like, these guys are fucking terrible. I'm way better than these guys. Why is my channel not growing more? But that's the thing. The big ones have already settled in. You know, it's gonna be hard as hell. You have an uphill battle. And it wasn't until I started doing something different, something that hadn't been done before, like the horror videos. What was it Dr. Dre said? It's easy to make it to the top, but it's twice as hard to stay there. You see,
Dr. Dre said, "Nothing, you idiot. Dr. Dre's dead. It's locked in my basement." Haha. Sorry. I think Dr. Dre said, if you want to be the best, you have to work hard. But if you want to maintain to be the best, you have to work twice harder. I think that's what Dr. Dre said.
People on YouTube come and go all the time. I don't want to throw any names out there, but you know what I mean. Like, there's a ton of YouTubers that everyone used to watch, and it got so much attention, but they just didn't have what it takes to keep their audience. A lot of people sort of get boosted from the algorithm of YouTube. Basically, YouTube recommends certain type of videos that fit what they want to promote. Maybe it's really long videos. Maybe it's videos that get a lot of likes and a lot of this and that. And there's always people that abuse the algorithm. Something to maintain your audience with, something more than your shtick of making the algorithm happy. Then your lifespan on YouTube is going to be short. That's just how it is. So,
Wow, that was deep advice that he gave there. It's like you're making videos because you have to interact with the audience, not just like making videos for money. If you're making for money, you're not getting anywhere. That is some deep advice from the biggest YouTuber. Wow, I can see how modest he is.
I'm not really too bothered about any of it. I just don't want you, if you want to grow your channel, to be obsessed about the algorithm, because that shouldn't be the #1 priority. I personally never try to abuse the algorithm or some shit like that. Honestly, I had no idea what I was doing. Literally, I discovered that 10 minutes videos like a year ago. It's been
This video is going to be 10 minutes. It's going to be 10 minutes. I swear to God. I mean, this video is 15 minutes. If I didn't cut out the whole part, then it's going to be 15 minutes. Hell yeah.
What I'm getting with this is you need personality. People will find your video, but they're not going to stay in unless they care about you as a person. I think YouTube is all about personality. At least that's how I see it. And anyone I watch on YouTube, I watch because I care about their personality. I care about them more than just their content, but also who they are as.
Right. I actually have an idea of doing my content, not just react to YouTubers. I actually think about a content that no one did before, and I'm going to do it on my next video. It's a very simple idea. I believe no one did that before. I'm not sure if it's interesting enough to actually catch you guys' attention, but I believe it might, because it's something new. So wait for my next video.
As a person, and that's why I enjoy watching them, and that's why I enjoy YouTube. I enjoy it because it's different than television. You're not just watching this product behind a bunch of producers and writers. You're watching just a person speak directly into a camera, and I think that's the beauty of it. I also think that's why so many YouTubers come and go. They forget about this part, and that's fine. You know, it's not like everything has to be super personal and everything has to be so up. Oh, I love you guys so much. You're my family. YouTube.
Oh. Sounds great.
YouTube is a hobby and a job at the same time, which can be really hard to balance. I think a lot of people don't realize this, but you get to set your own hours. You get to set your own pace. But it basically means you'll be working 24/7. Like, it's really hard to turn off YouTube in your brain. I'm always checking videos. How are they doing? I'm always checking stats. I'm always checking comments. What are people saying? What are people thinking? And it's really hard to turn off. It's not like a 9-to-5 job. You go in, you do your job. Okay, now I'm done. Ooh, I can relax. I really struggle a lot with this and just trying to shut my brain off and okay, now I'm doing this, now I'm doing that. And that's why I really enjoy having an office, because I can do my work here, and then once I'm back home, I can just relax. What happens if you miss a day, Felix? What's the big deal? Who's gonna care? It's okay, you don't have to upload all the time. But it's like I set the schedule for me. I know I can do it. It is my job to do it still. I have to do it, okay? I see YouTube as a... It's not gonna last forever, but I might as well make the most of it. Meanwhile, market yourself. I do think you should market yourself somehow if you really care about growing your channel. Now, I don't know what the best method is, but everyone has a secret, I'm sure, of how they try to get their channel out there.
Okay.
Maybe
What is your secret?
something they're ashamed of that they wouldn't admit. I think most YouTubers have it. I, for example, used to find commenters on videos similar to mine, and I would write a private message to them being like, hey, I see that you enjoyed this channel, maybe you will enjoy mine. I know, extremely...
Nope, not going to do that. My God, Pewds. We came a long way, and a hard way as well.
Embarrassing, extremely pathetic, but I used to do it. At least it's not intrusive on someone else's work, okay? So I recommend marketing yourself somehow. I just don't and it's nothing shameful about doing it, but don't be fucking obnoxious and disrespectful doing it. That's my point with that. Next up is don't fucking trust anyone. Growing my channel on YouTube, I've come across so many toxic people that just want your audience, your subscribers. They don't give a shit about you. They'll lie to you. They'll try and manipulate you. I think one of my best skills as a human being is to cut out toxic people. I have very little tolerance for people in general, and if I find them to be abusive or disrespectful, I have no problem with cutting out these people in my life. I know some people really struggle with this, and I think as a YouTuber, you're just really gonna have to be cut and dry with people. It's just how it is. Networks. You may have heard of networks a lot. I'm technically signed up with a network still, but I'm not planning to stay with a network. YouTube wouldn't sign with gaming channels. You could not monetize your videos if you were a gaming channel back in the day. It was the worst thing I think that could possibly happen to the gaming community on YouTube, because essentially networks got so much power because we were obligated to sign with them. So basically, as a gamer, you would get these insanely bad deals with networks where they would give you half of your revenue and give you essentially nothing back. Networks still take a huge portion of your revenue if you're a small YouTuber. I still get a lot of people asking me, hey, I'm a YouTuber, should I sign up to a network? I don't know, blah, blah, blah. Or do they increase my CPM, blah, blah, blah. Most likely, they don't.
Wait, what is CPM? CPM, also called as cost per mile. Okay, so it's something to do with ads.
My experience, they don't sell ads on your videos. Think about most network, they have like what, thousands of channels in them. Why would they care about your channel? You know, how are they going to focus on all these channels? It just doesn't make any sense. I would not recommend signing with a network if I was a smaller YouTuber these days. My next point, get a lawyer.
What? Get a lawyer? I don't think my parents even have a lawyer. Hello 妈，你可以请一个律师吗？因为我听到一个 YouTuber PewDiePie 哦，他讲如果你要做 YouTuber 的话，你要找一个律师哦。哦，没有钱啊。这样你不是有存款咩？你可以拿出来给我用。Hello？
Without professional overlooking what you're doing. I signed contracts that led me into month-long processes of trying to get out of those contracts. It's a lot cheaper to have a lawyer look over the contract and knowing exactly what you're getting yourself into than afterwards get a lawyer to try and get you out of this situation. Get a lawyer and get an accountant if you're making money off YouTube, and do it early. Make YouTube videos because you enjoy making them. If you don't enjoy making them, you're not gonna keep making them.
Deep words.
You're just gonna fall off at some point, and you're gonna get frustrated that it didn't turn out the way you wanted it to be. If you make videos that you enjoy making it, then you can't lose. It doesn't matter if you don't get a lot of subscribers. Like, I was equally happy when I had a couple hundred subscribers. If you make videos that you enjoy making, other people will enjoy watching them. I really, really strongly believe in that. So if you're not enjoying making videos, then don't make videos. I hope this was helpful.
What the hell? What was that?
I really, really strongly believe in that. So if you're not enjoying making videos, then don't make videos.
I like how he.
I hope this was helpful. I'm not sure, to be honest, if it was.
It was definitely
but I hope
helpful.
it was interesting at least. I don't know. Here you go. I did the video finally. Leave a like, my sister fisters, and stay.
He still did the brofist, and this is 3 years ago. Wow. Well, I guess I have to brofist the cam right now.
My sister fisters, and stay fistering.
Yeah, guess that's it for the video. Oh wait, I have to leave a like first. Right. Okay. So yeah, that's the video. If you enjoy this video, then leave a like. If you don't, leave a like anyway. Comment, let me know what do I need to improve. So yeah, that's how I started my YouTube channel. Yeah. Bye.